Well, hello and welcome to the Intulse app dashboard video training demo. And I thank you for joining us. You will notice that I am demonstrating the virtual phone in the dashboard app inside of a Chrome browser, which is recommended. If you come to the My Phone screen in your app and you do not see the virtual phone here at the top, then you should contact our support team to have your organization enabled and set up so you can use. Another piece of housekeeping here is to let you know that I am logged in as an admin, so I may have some features and some functionality shown here and available that you don't specifically have, but that should not affect your ability to utilize the virtual phone effectively. To enable the virtual phone or activate it, up here where it says disabled, you will simply click enabled. And once you do, the phone is now ready to use. To make a quick outbound call to somebody in your organization, you can simply start typing a name, and as it finds matches in the company directory, that would be all of the extensions that are in your organization, they're going to show up here, and you can just choose one of them. It's going to translate it into the actual extension, and you just click the call button and it's going to dial that number. Another way that you can dial somebody directly is if you're monitoring their extension, you can just click on that extension and you have an option here to call this particular person. In this case, the name of that person is the phone itself. And it will start dialing that number. Please be aware that if you use this option here and you do not have your virtual phone enabled up here, it's going to dial your main extension at whatever device is up and running, such as your desk phone. You would then answer your desk phone and it will dial through to the number dialed, and then that person will either answer or they won't. You should also notice that there's a gear here that, if clicked on, will take you into the settings area for the virtual phone, where you can adjust your ringer, headset, and speaker outputs, as well as your microphone and your ringtones for outgoing, call waiting, and etc. Sometimes if you're experiencing difficulty that you can't hear something or somebody can't hear you, whatever device you're using this on, you'll want to double check in the settings to make sure that it is actually connected to an output and an input device. Another way to get to the same place that you get to with the gear is to go to your profile, go to virtual phone, and you have the same settings right there. Let's take a look at an inbound call and what that looks like if you're using the virtual phone. As you can see, here's an incoming call that I can either decline or answer. I answered that call. I got a call notification here as well. I'm going to mute it. And then once this screen is up, I have the ability to show the keypad, hide the keypad. I can put somebody on hold. I can transfer. I can put them on speaker, which I probably wouldn't do in this scenario. Using a headset with a microphone is your best scenario if you're on a laptop or a desktop. But if I hit the transfer button, then I get this screen, which is going to show me all of my parking spaces, all of the people that I can transfer to that have extensions on the system. I check this button if I want to send it directly to somebody's voicemail. I can search for a destination. I can send them to a conference room or put them in a queue. I have all of those options. If I need to go back to the main screen while I'm on a call, I just click this arrow here. Now I'm back to the My Phone screen, and I can navigate to any place I want to within the app over here. And then if I need to go back to that active call up here where it says click to return to active call, I simply do that and I'm back to the call that I'm on. When I'm finished with the call, I can simply click hang up. And now that call is gone. To make a call, without searching the directory, to call somebody outside of your organization, you can simply type or copy and paste a number in here. Click the call button. And I'm now on that call. You can now see the length of the call here as it's counting down the amount of time that that call is in session. And I have all of the function and features that as far as transferring and putting on hold and etc. that you would have on any other type of call. Thank you for your time and attention here to learn more about using the virtual phone inside of the Intulse app. For additional information, you can contact our support team or visit us at our website at intulse.com.